My name is Bhawana Yadav, and I'm a junior at Greenwood High School in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I wanted to talk about my interest in the medical field. Doctors have seen humanity at its best and its worst. Its best being when they're able to help relieve the pain of their patients, and the worst being the people that come in to them, because the day the person goes to visit the doctor tends to be one of the worst days of their lives, where they feel pain and agony. Doctors tend to have a vast number of knowledge, and using their knowledge and expertise to help their patients is a very empowering thing to see. For example, when I went to look at open heart surgery for HOSA Club, the Future Health Professionals, I got to see how a bunch of health professionals came together during the surgery and used teamwork to help relieve the pain of a patient who had an artery blockage. Through that experience, I learned how valuable teamwork is for the health community, and also seeing how the surgeon adhered to the patient's needs. In this case, last year when I went to watch the surgery, the patient had smaller arteries, so the surgeon was not able to clear them out as easily, so he had to use a smaller tool to help clean out the arteries, which is an example of how health professionals maneuver their way around to adhere to the patient's needs, because in medicine there's no such thing as all size fits all, and I feel like it's really interesting to see how they work with all these different factors to help their patient. And also just with the surgery, I feel like even when you help somebody with a small action, like just giving them help, letting them borrow a pencil, it really can help improve somebody's day. So just thinking about how you can do that on a larger scale is a very good and empowering feeling. And also going along with HOSA, this year I also did an anatomy class, and in that class I got to learn a lot about the different body functions and how they all work together in unity, sort of how all the health professionals work together in the surgical room to help their patients. And in that we got to learn a lot about the brain and mind, and those two were my favorite topics. And so I actually came across this book called Into the Magic Shop, which is by James R. Doughty, and basically the book talks about how he maneuvered through his life and how he became a physician, and sort of his quest for happiness, and how he used his brain and his heart and how they worked together for him to become a well-renowned physician, and to sort of explore him and the true meaning of medicine, which is to help others and for the betterment of society. And I feel like with that, we can see how medicine has grown over the years. So the amount of technological advancements, now there are machines where you can take the heart out, like for example in the surgery, how they took the heart out of the patient and they put it on the machine, and it was basically pumping blood for the heart while they were doing the surgery, giving them more time to actually complete the surgery, and the heart was out of the way, so there was more things they could look at inside the body. So that, and then finding the cure for cancer, so how medicine is evolving, positive and negative, and so that sort of shows how medicine is such a vast field, and how there's endless knowledge and endless opportunities in it. I also want to explore the vastness of medicine. Thank you.